What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check the transmission out. I think it came out really good. It is really sparkly. Punch. It is really sparkly, and I think it looks really good. Once it dries a little bit, I'll take that wrapping off and show you guys again what the starter looks like. But other than that, it's so sparkly. Tell me what you guys think. So guys, we got another beautiful hot day today. So today we are pretty much going to, let's get these axle wrapped up. Let's get pretty much some more of this plastic stuff all over all of this, that way none of this gets damaged. More over these wires. And so yeah, let's just take the plastic stuff and stick it all back here. Before I start, I did realize I want to try and get rid of some of this. I don't even know what it is. It's just caked up. Alright, so now that I got some of that gone, let's hit it with some more of this paint stripper and see if this paint stripper will pull some of this paint off of here. So I actually need to go to AutoZone because I need some more sanding pads. So let's run up to AutoZone right quick. Let's just get 2 of them. So what I got from AutoZone, I got some more sandpaper, another thing of primer, some paint remover. This guy at AutoZone said this stuff is really good, so I got some of that. Metal paintbrush, a metal scrape brush, another sanding block, and I also got some gloves, which I threw way over there. But I also got some gloves because that paint stripper was really fucking my hands, really messing my hands up. So let's spray that on there, give it a couple minutes, and let's see what it looks like after that. I guess now I need to go ahead and just let it dry. And then we'll come back tomorrow, do a little fine to it or whatever. And then get ready for some primer. Throw some primer on it. And then I also got to start this this engine too. So let's hurry up and do this so we can move on to this, because the timing chain should be getting ready to come in for that. So let's just keep moving, guys. Like I said, I guess that will be it for today. So I guess I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember, guys, have an awesome day. How's it going, man? Yeah. Is acetone a good paint stripper?
Yes, acetone is the same thing you take off like fingernail polish. Remove.
Like,
fingernail
so
polish.
would it remove like paint off an engine bay?
Okay, when you're using acetone, that's because you're doing a light removal. Like, say you got an overspray or something, or just.
Okay. So if you want a heavy removal, what would you?
Then that's gonna be the other stuff.
Which one is that?
That's what I was telling you. Acetone is the same as fingernail polish removal.
So I right now I'm
so
using.
it's not that strong. It's something you know. It's not gonna.
Yeah.
Tear you up.
Yeah, I wanna.
Well, if you're trying to strip it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the other.
Cause right now I'm using paint thinner and some type of spray stuff that.
And it's working, right? No.
No.
Get the aircraft remover.
Which one?
The one I said aircraft remover. The aircraft. That's the
This one?
Yeah, that's strong.
Off of 17 Bunos?
Yeah, that's strong.
Wait, is this one? Is this spray?
Yeah, that's strong.
I'd rather spray it.
Okay, so.
And it's going.
Of course, it's less than a can.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm done with one side. I just got 2 more sides to do.
Okay.
So that's why I need something to do a little bit faster than one I got with that paint thinner.
Yeah, paint thinner is not as strong.
Yeah.
So you got mineral spirits, then acetone, then your thinner, then you got lacquer thinner, lacquer thinner, and then aircraft remover.
Okay. So when I'm doing this and when I start my painting and I get some overspray on like a fender.
Then you want to use a mineral spirits or something light that's just gonna like dissolve the overspray.
Okay.
The mineral spirits is light.
But
it slowly melted away.
Will remove the paint that's the underneath paint.
No, that's why you're using mineral spirits.
Gotcha. Okay.
Because that's light, it's gonna slowly dissolve it.
Okay.
Where something else is gonna cut it deep and lift
pull
the
it
paint
right off.
Right. You're just
you.
trying to
I got you.
get some over.